You wash your hair, it feels fresh, clean, perfect. But by the next day, it's already greasy again. So you wash it again, and again. And suddenly, you're stuck in a cycle you can't escape. But here's the question no one asks. What if the reason your hair gets oily so fast is actually because of what you're doing? Because deep inside your scalp, something is happening that most people completely ignore. And once you understand it, you'll realize your hair isn't the problem. Your routine is. Let's break it down. Your scalp contains tiny glands called sebaceous glands. These glands produce a natural oil called sebum. Now, this oil is not bad. In fact, it's essential. Sebum protects your hair and keeps it hydrated. But here's where things get interesting. Your scalp doesn't produce oil randomly. It reacts, it adapts, it learns from your behavior. So when you wash your hair frequently, especially with strong shampoos, you strip away all the natural oils. And your brain interprets this as a threat. It thinks, we're losing too much oil. We need to produce more. And as a result, your scalp goes into overdrive, producing even more oil than before. This is called a feedback loop. That's why some people feel like their hair gets greasy within 24 hours. Their scalp has been trained to overproduce oil. Imagine two people with the same hair type. One washes every single day, the other washes only 2 or 3 times a week. The daily washer keeps triggering oil overproduction. The less frequent washer allows their scalp to regulate itself naturally. But washing isn't the only factor. Your fingers play a bigger role than you think. Every touch transfers oil, and the more you check your hair in the mirror, the more you touch it. It becomes an unconscious habit. Then comes another hidden factor. Your pillow. At night, your hair rests against your pillowcase for hours. If your pillowcase has oil, sweat, or dirt, it transfers back. You're reintroducing oil while you sleep. Your diet also affects how oily your hair becomes. Foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats can increase sebum production. Hormones also play a major role. Stress, lack of sleep, and hormonal imbalances can all trigger increased oil production. How do you fix this? The first step is to break the cycle. Start spacing out your washes gradually. If you wash daily, try every other day. This gives your scalp time to adjust and reduce oil production naturally. The second step is choosing the right shampoo. Look for gentler formulas that clean without removing all natural oils. The third step, stop touching your hair. The less you touch it, the less oil you spread. It makes a huge difference. Next, change your pillowcase regularly. Ideally, every 2 to 3 days to prevent oil and dirt buildup. There is no instant fix. Your scalp needs time to reset. At first, your hair might feel even more greasy. That's normal. If you stay consistent, your scalp slowly learns. One day, you'll notice something surprising. Your hair stays fresh longer. So next time your hair gets greasy quickly, don't panic. Ask yourself, am I helping my scalp or confusing it? Make sure you subscribe right now for more science-based solutions. The next experiment might change something you do every day.